guys, welcome back to another video on Twitch. I already opened everything. The last video didn't work out. We tried this, and here's the little whale. Here's the Sharky dude. And then here's his little glasses, extinguisher, scope, his knife, and whatever this dude added. Leave a comment if you guys know what this is. I think this is a flashlight. There's a little camera. And here, I think this, I just saw that. And then we got this little Sharky dude. We got this. I'll show you guys that. We have 2 flippers. And that's it for this video. Actually, no, it's not. Because the video is only 45 minutes long. Ow, why does it hurt? That should not hurt. Yeah, guys, look at that. He actually comes down. He does not move his flippers or his tail. He moves his mouth, and you can do it like this. He doesn't move at all. You have to like hold him back like this and just go with him. I don't think he moves it. Nope. I don't think he can. He only does his mouth too. Doesn't move his fins or his tail. All you can do is move that. This dude moves like this up with his arm, and that's it. You can't bend it like that. But yeah, this dude only moves up, and his legs move. I think it. Yep. Yeah, you can move his foot back. Yeah, you can move his foot up and down, up and down. Do you see that? See that? It broke. Somehow it broke in the box. I don't think we can fix it, but so for the video, guys, 2 minutes, 20 seconds, guys. Bye-bye. See you guys later. Maybe in the next video. Who knows? See you later.